That basil isn't dying because you can't grow plants. It's dying because it was never supposed to survive. The supermarket pot is the problem, not you. Here's what nobody tells you at the checkout. That pot isn't one plant. Pull it out of its container and you'll find somewhere between 20 and 50 individual seedlings packed into a space the size of a coffee cup, all of them competing for the same water, the same nutrients, the same thin inch of root space. It looked lush on the shelf because crowding makes it look full, not because it's healthy. Actually, I probably should have led with that. So here's the fix, and it really does take about 30 seconds. Take the whole root ball out. It'll come out in a dense break. That's normal. Gently pull it apart with your fingers into clumps of 2 or 3 seedlings. You don't need to go down to individual plants. 2 or 3 per pot is fine, and it's easier on the roots. Some roots will break. That's okay. Basil handles it. Each clump goes into its own small pot. Fresh potting mix, a drainage hole at the bottom. Press the soil around them. Water until it runs out the bottom, then leave them somewhere out of strong sun for 24 hours, just to settle. That's it. That's the whole fix. Now for the bit people still get wrong after repotting. 2 things. Light. Basil wants at least 6 hours of direct sun. Not bright indirect, not near a window, direct. South-facing windowsill is ideal. Without it, the plant gets leggy and thin and sort of gives up. Watering. Push your finger into the soil. If the top inch is still damp, wait. If it's dry, water deeply until it drains. The soak and let dry method, as opposed to a little splash every day, which is, I'd say, the second most common way people kill it. One last thing. When you see a flower spike forming at the top, that skinny little stem with buds, pinch it off immediately. Once basil starts flowering, it shifts energy towards seeds and the leaves lose most of their flavor. That one habit alone keeps a plant going for months instead of weeks.